Hey, hello, welcome to FS with SRIKANTH. Now we are going to discuss inline frame. So inline frame is nothing but iframe. So with the help of iframe, we can embed another web page into our web page. Means we may insert web page, either website, and we can attach any document like a PDF. So we can insert, suppose this is our web page, and we want to add other web page content, like suppose we may add in this area, we may add some other web page. Otherwise, if you want to add some YouTube video on your website, right? So this type of thing. Otherwise, you may add some PDF files into your web page. So this type of information, this type of content, we may place our web page with the help of iframe. The iframe in the sense inline frame. Iframe is a paid tag. So it's having most important attribute is nothing but SRC attribute. With the help of this SRC attribute, we can add address of web page. What is a web page? It is a static web page or dynamic web page. So if we have access permission, that web pages we can provide. Definitely we may provide width and height. These are most important. So here width and height most important. Why? Because how much width you want to place in your website. So this content never disturb your original content, your original website content. And if in case you are adding any YouTube video, definitely the full screen is there. Some situation we are providing access for full screen. That situation you can allow full screen. Right. So in this way we can add. So with the help of SRC attribute, we may provide web page address, either website address, either document or PDF address. So here you can mind it one thing. Some web pages, some websites are refused. Means we need to update X-frame options on the website. X-frame options are only knows that particular website owners. Means suppose we are adding google.com SRC attribute, we are adding www.google.com, right? So in this time the website, the iframe can refuse site. Why? Because so it doesn't allow any embed. Why? Because of we need to update X-frame options on this Google site, but we never having that access permission, right? So only that website owner only having that X-frame option changing, right? So we can check this one with a Visual Studio Code. So I want to open Visual Studio Code. This is our program. I want to open this. Just you observe iframe tag. Suppose I am trying. Suppose first of all I want to open go live, right? It was minimize and iframe. So here I may provide one website. Just observe, everyone knows this Google address, right? Google, everyone knows. So I am copying this address and I am pasting here. Just observe, it is refused. Just observe, google.com refused to connect. Why? Because this every web page, so this web page it is not allowed, in the sense it is not allowed. Why? Because X-frame options we don't have. X-frame options we don't have, so that it is not possible to access. You understood? X-frame option only having this permission. X-frame option permission only having site owner. So that this is not allowing us. So we never add this type of websites. Not only this site. Suppose everyone knows Facebook site, right? Facebook login. Suppose I am trying this one. This is a web page. Suppose facebook.com, right? This is a facebook.com. I want to copy this. So here I pasted. It is also refused. So you understood, right? So definitely we have an option that website owner provides that option, then only we can attach. Suppose I want to access get one website address. TSI Pass is a Telangana state website, right? These are one of the government website, and I'm copying this address. Just observe, I'm copying that address and I was pasted here, and just to observe, it will be possible. Why? Because X-frame options are not restricted, right? X-frame controls are released, right? It opened. So I want to provide the border like 1. Suppose 10 I want to provide. What happens? The border is 10. So defaultly it having scrolling option. And I want to add width and height. Then it is a very comfortable to view. Width equal 150 pixels. Then it is no nothing. So we want to provide 500 pixels. Then it is a good for view. Nice. Height equal 500 pixels. Right? 500 pixels. Just you observe the website is somewhat different, right? Visible. And this way we can attach. Next we need to add one YouTube video. How do we add YouTube video? Just observe, I am opening here. This is my channel actually, with SRIKANTH. So just open, this is my channel, right? And I want to open. This is suppose I'm trying to open. Just right click on that video and you can write copy embedded code. Copy embedded code. Just you copy this and we need to add that.
These
iframe
are designed with the help of table tag.
And in SRC you may add SRC. In SRC you may add this. This is a code. This was previous website and this is another web page, right? Totally we have, but it don't have. Suppose I want to comment this one. I want to comment. Yes, this is. So just you observe, when I'm viewing this one, it is not allowing for allow full screen. Suppose I am reviewing this option, then what will happen? Just to observe, when I am playing this option allow full screen option is disabled. We cannot allowing. Just observe, full screen is unavailable, right? So in this way we add a video. In this way we add this YouTube video. Just again I want to comment this. Suppose I want to add one my PDF I want to add. Iframe, just observe iframe, and I want to add this PDF, one PDF. I have HTML PDF. Just observe HTML PDF, and I want to place like a width and height. A width 50% I am using here. Height 50%. Just observe. This is a height and width. Just you observe. Zoom is also possible. Every option is possible, but that is your wish. 150% and 150%. Right. Automatically it was zoom. This is one option. Means we are adding one PDF file into our web page. Pixels automatically the size will be changed, right? So in this way we can add HTML PDF. Suppose I want to add we have some web pages, right? Here you observe some web pages are already we are having. So I want to add this web page. Iframe existing web page, like we are having audio, right? Audio files, audio.html. Just what happened? This is a web page. 250 pixels width. Just observe. Automatically two pixels. Based on size. This is a size. That is the difference, right? With the help of iframe tag, we attached one web page. Not only this web page, you may attach like a /mercu, right? mercu.html, and you observe this is a web page, our previous web page. In this way we can attach. So how many ways? With the help of iframe we may add existing web page, and we are embedding YouTube video, and we are attaching one PDF file, and we may attach static web page. So this way we can develop, right? Just you observe, I want to show totally. We are placing here how many. So one is web page, and this is a one, and this one, right? Totally we are adding 4, but there is no space between these 4 frames, right? So for that we are using one important attribute. That attribute is nothing but margin width. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please like, share and support us. Thank you.